two cards are drawn successively without replacement from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find the probability distribution of number of aces. Now the condition here, it is given without replacement. You have to give a lot of stress on this part, without replacement. Okay. So now let X denotes discrete random variable number of aces. And therefore, when two cards are drawn, possible values of X are 0, 1 and 2. Now 0 means no cards, 1 means one card, ace card, no ace cards, one ace card and both the ace cards. Now, now it is without replacement. I am just writing it. Don't write in the while solving the question, but just for your knowledge. Okay, I am just writing here without replacement. Okay, just to make you everything clear, without replacement. Now first case is X is equal to 0. It means probability for no ace card. Probability for no ace card. And now we are going for a combination, and I am going to give some alternative method also. Now probability for no ace card we are having, now we can write it here, 48C2 upon 52C2. Now when you are solving this part, what the result will be, you are getting, it will be 48 times 47, 52 times 51, and the result is 188 upon 221. Now number 2, X is equal to 1. This means probability for one ace card and one non-ace card. One ace card and one non-ace card. Now this is one ace card, 4C1 times 48C1 upon 52C2. Now when we are solving this part, what we are getting? We will be getting 2 times 4 times 48 upon 52 times 51. Now this is equal to 32 upon 221. Number 3, X is equal to 2. We are having probability for both ace cards. Now this is equal to 4C2 upon 52C2. Now this we are having 4 times 3 times 52 with 51, and on solving this we are getting 1 upon 2 to 1. Now required probability distribution. Now what it is? X, and probability for X, it is 0, 1 and 2. For 0 it was 188 upon 2 to 1, then 32 upon 2 to 1, and then 1 upon 2 to 1. So this is about the question. Now one thing, can we have any other method to solve this? Yes, indeed we are having. I am just giving you a hint for it. Now, for probability for x is equal to 0, it shows what? Not an ace card. So, for first card, that is 48 upon 52. Now, one card is not inserted again back inside the deck. So, it will be 47 upon 51. Is it clear? Either we can do like this thing, but here there will be some problem to write it. If you are writing A1 not, A1 not, then there can be a confusion for A naught. What to write it about A naught? First condition is okay, you are going to write 48 upon 52. Probability for an ace card is 4 upon 52. For A naught it is 48 upon 52, but what should we write for this one? So that's why we have used their direct combination. Is it clear? Now, probability for x is equal to 0. Sorry, x is equal to 1. Now we are what we are having for a king card and for not a king card, it is 48 upon 51 plus. Now first card can be a not an king card and then for a king card. Is it clear? King card, in the second attempt it is not an king card. Cards are 48, but here it will be one less because this card is not inserted. Or here it can be a not an king card or not an ace card, means any face card, okay, and here it can be an ace card. Is it clear? So when you are doing solving this one, what you are getting, 2 times 4 times 48 upon 52 times 51. Then probability for x is equal to 2. Here we are having now 4 upon 52. 4 upon 52 probability for an ace card when both the cards are there, ace cards, 4 upon 52, and then it will be 3 upon 51. Now let's check it. Why I have not mentioned this type of a thing? Because little bit writing part is a confusion. 48 upon 52, 48 upon 52 times 47 upon 51. Good. This part 2 times 4 times 48 upon 52 times 51, same thing, either this one or that one. And lastly 4 times 3 upon 52 times 51, same thing. Okay, so if you are going to attempt this type of a question, best part is to move like this. If you are going with this one, then your writing part should be very much clear. Okay, so this was a question, important question when it was without replacement.